At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, in another one here, a woman is among two people who died in separate crashes in Manchester on the weekend. The deceased woman has been identified as Camona Forrest, 28, a resident of Virginia in Bombay District, Manchester. According to observers, Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, commanding officer of the St. Catherine South Police Division, says the police are following strong leads into the murder of veteran journalist Barbara Gale. My wisdom warriors. According to the police, veteran journalist stabbed multiple times and was last seen with unknown male. Hear what the superintendent have to say.
That retired journalist Barbara Gale was today found dead in her house. What we're getting so far, she was last seen sometime after 3 yesterday, having a conversation with an unknown gentleman. Sometimes this morning, sometime after 10, residents who are used to a routine coming out in the morning to check on them and to call to them. They never saw that usual activity, and so some residents went to check on her where the lifeless body was discovered. We are following strong leads at this time. We have the full support of all the investigative arm of the force giving full support right now. We are deeply saddened by this. It's really a very horrible scene, and we really extend condolences to the media family at this time, because I know that she's well known in that circle. Initial assessment is suggesting that she was stabbed multiple times to the right side of her neck, and we suspect she was also hit in the forehead.
My wisdom warriors, boy, what a gruesome killing. What a wicked act. Why would someone want to do such a thing to this lady? Why would someone want to do such a thing, my wisdom warriors? And guess what? Let me tell you something. This, you see, when I notice, can I go back and do some research, Yeah, this about the third journalist from the Gleaner. That is Caah, my wisdom warriors. Yes, if you don't go back, go check. This is the third journalist from the Gleaner that was killed since 2016. If you don't think I lie, me I tell you can go check, go do no research. Take a look at this. My wisdom warriors, just take a good look. This is two persons that used to work with Gleaner, and they were killed. Job Nelson and veteran Jamaican journalist Gary. Just take a look. Who remember? Wanna see what go on, my wisdom warriors? Wanna see what go on? That's why it's when people are sending threats, people not to take it lightly. You understand? People not to take it lightly. You get me? Because once people out there and are threaten a company, you have to try. What I mean, like try to protect your workers. Or the workers don't have to know, say, you have to try and watch on the head back. You get me? You just have to try and watch on the head back. My wisdom warriors, it is really a sad situation. This is why I go back. Because I do my research, I go back and I check. And I say, wait there. Wait there. This are the third. This Barbara make it third person from the Gleaner that was killed. You see me? Who is behind this? Who is really behind this? Remember, said there was a group of them, attack Gleaner what day, Remember, you know, there was a group of them attacking Gleaner. You get me? Remember? And the whole of them come out and talk about how Gleaner fi come down now. And then keep a piece of ceremony, my wisdom warriors, and then talk some things and I send threats, dangerous threats to the people them. But when I go back and I look, when I go back, I do my research and I look, I said, something not right, my wisdom warriors. Something in a something. Something in a something. But anyway, wanna tell me what you think about this. I'm moving on, I'm moving on. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has paid tribute to veteran court reporter Barbara Gale, noting that her career was defined by truth, justice, and transparency. Let me stick a pin right there, so. You know, say Andrew mouth split. Andrew, a two-mouth cutlass. Andrew and his whole administration is two-mouth cutlass. Because of them are the same very one talk about how Gleaner tell lie upon them and I spread misinformation. Yes, Andrew Holness administration, my wisdom warriors, they came out and blast the Gleaner. Yes, they came out. You know, so we are talk about it. The evidence is there. You have all Everall Warmington calling up their name. You understand? Call up the Gleaner name. How Gleaner tell lie and Gleaner this and Gleaner that. So how Andrew Holness now come out and I say, yeah, Barbara Gale, noting that her career was defined by truth, justice and transparency. What you're saying, Andrew Holness, it is the truth. At the truth you talk, you know. At the truth you talk. Gleaner always come out and tell the truth. Them always come out and tell the truth. I don't have a problem, you know, with Andrew Holness coming out and I say this and I speak the truth now. But when you have your administration out here and you know come out and address it, Andrew Holness, that for sure you say you and them are the same thing. Everall Warmington come out and done Gleaner. The whole of them. The whole of your minister them, well, majority of your minister them come out and talk bad about Gleaner. Them all post, you understand? Yeah, them all post all type of things about Gleaner. And they send threat. Yes, they send threat and nothing to hide. So when me hear you come out now, and you are say, how Barbara Gale, yeah, is defined by truth and justice and transparency. She's truthful and transparent. Me I say, but Andrew Holness a two-mouth cutlass. Una two-mouth cutlass. But anyway, me glad how you come out and make this speech, you know. Me glad how you come out and you pay a tribute and say that because we all knew that Gleaner was always telling the truth. We all knew. We all knew. You understand? So for you coming out and saying that, but when your minister come out and talk bad about Gleaner, we no hear you come out and condemn that. We no hear you come out, Andrew Holness, and condemn that. You think so we are idiot? You must think so we're born big. My wisdom warriors, let me continue. And him alone send tribute, you know. Babsy Granger, all of them are run out now. After majority of them cuss, you know, the Gleaner, you know, now you see them are come out. How them a fool? I wanted to mention something earlier when the policeman did attack, but I totally forget. You know, a case like that, I expect Horace Chang to go on the scene, you know. A case like that, I expect Horace Chang to dip on the scene. Kevin Blake to dip on the scene. A veteran like that was Killed. I expect Horace Chang for dip on the scene and Kevin Blake. And me no sunu. Me no sunu. Me no sunu. Me see normal people dead. Yeah. If you don't know what I mean. You understand? And me sunu go on the scene. Me sunu dip on the scene and I pretend and I show sympathy. But this lady is a veteran. And me no see Kevin Blake and me no see Horace Chang. Something not right. My wisdom warriors, something is not right. Them shouldn't dead down there. For a veteran like her, I should have Horace Chang down there. I should have Kevin Blake down there. Why uno never go down there? Why uno never go up on the scene? Me not expect Andrew Holness for go down there. But Horace Chang, how you know they down there? Kevin Blake, how you know they down there? My wisdom warriors, let me continue. In a statement released to the media on Tuesday, following news of her tragic death at home in St. Catherine, Holness said this act of violence is deeply disturbing and tragic. I have asked the relevant authorities to ensure that justice is served swiftly in this matter, he stated. Holness also extended condolence to Gale's immediate family, her friends, and her colleagues at the Gleaner. You don't care about Gleaner now? You don't care about Gleaner? I want to say some things, I see, my wisdom warriors. I want to say some things, I see. You don't care about Gleaner? You think say we the people believe that after the way how your administration deal with Gleaner? I wonder if the people them a look good. I wonder. My wisdom warriors, Barbara Gale, you know say she cover crime and court deaths at the Jamaica Gleaner for many, many years, you know. Many, many years. She covered the crime and court desk at the Jamaica Gleaner for many, many years. A lot of people know her. She's a top veteran in the business. That's why me not understand how Horace Chang, how Kevin Blake, how una never dep on the scene, a different superintendent miss on the scene. What go on? What is really going on? What is really going on? My wisdom warriors, and I don't believe robbery. Listen, this is my opinion. I don't believe it is a robbery. I believe it is to me, it seems like it is a contract killing, and then just take away the car to make it look like a robbery. That me think, my wisdom warriors. I understand this a tap thing. Wanna hear me? Tap. Lord Jesus. Me I tell you no, man. Me I tell you no. This is really too much. This is really too much. The People's National Party, PNP, has condemned the killing of veteran journalist Barbara Gale in a media release on Tuesday. The PNP said this latest attack on a journalist is symptomatic of the larger state of insecurity in which we live. Journalists perform a vital function in our democracy, and violence against them strikes at the heart of freedom of the press and public trust, the PNP said. Listen to me, yeah? That's why when me hear the Labour right them come out, man like Everald Warmington, yeah, and attack certain way about Gleaner, I set on the people them. I set on the people them, pan the reporter, pan bloggers, everybody. I that them I do, my wisdom warriors. You understand me? And what they doing is wrong. And when Everald Warmington come out and the rest of them come out and I chat off them out about Gleaner, I never hear Andrew Holness come out and say a word. He never come out and say nothing. Condemn it. No, somebody lose their life. That's why I say take threat serious. When people say no threat, take it serious and watch on the head back. Watch on the head back. Uno thinks of them now watch for them head back? Jesus. My wisdom warriors, it's just too much. It is just too much. Enough is enough. Andrew Holness cannot manage all this crime and violence that is going on. I remember when Andrew Holness was the opposition, every day I'm out, I said, PNP can't manage this, PNP can't manage that, but you can't manage crime and violence in Jamaica, brother. You have to go away, you have to step down, you can't manage shit. You can't manage nothing. Andrew Holness are the worst the country ever been. The worst. You understand me? Something need to be done, man. You need to come down now. You need to step down. Step aside. But guess what? The whole of the ministers, them too coward. They're not brave enough. None of them not brave enough. You see the whole of them come out and go on like them bright. None of them not brave enough and have the courage. Not one. then rather Jamaican people suffer like that. See what them a try to do now, the government? The government a try to cap the money, the public sector money now, so you can steer upon one level and no move. Just imagine every year things are raised and your money now move. Just imagine. And una say Andrew Wellness a bring prosperity. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me one thing here, man. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, my people. I want to run go over to my other channel, subscribe, and get me to 5,000k subs. Tell a friend about Atafa the Press. Blessings upon blessings. One love.